सामने से आओ
I've been a 7-year association with Annie Wall, 12th store opening. They have grown in leaps and bounds, and I wish them all the very best. This store for a super hit avalli in korukuntunanu, and congratulations to the beautiful family. I have great connection with this family. Chala manchi vallu, and I wish them only the best.
Congrats to Suresh, my best friend. I'm very happy for him. 11th mall opening ante inka mood ready ga unnayanta. So ikkada Karimnagar ku raadam maku happy ga undi. We came and we are very happy for Suresh and the whole South India Mall shopping mall family. Media ki support chesina thank you. Ikkada inta mandi janalu kuda vacharu. Thank you for the support. We love you. Next week vastundi Vikram Kumar tho chestunna. Ipude song kuda paadesanu. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you media ki nijanga thank you inta vachi cover chestunnanduku. Eppudu inta hadavudiga untadi meer em feel avvagandi. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you.